Hey yo web travelers, today we're opening WIXOSS, or how the fuck do I pronounce it? I don't know yet. So correct me in the comments, I know you want to. That's the first time that I'm gonna open this set, I mean this TCG in general. WIP Investments, what's up man? You opened a lot of them and I think these cards are awesome. So I went on Aliexpress and found a seller who claims to be selling the original ones, like not the fake ones. The box looks nice, you have like some official logos here and there, but they are not in English, which is alright for me man, I'm just about the vibers, I don't care which language they speak. But also I tried to look up at the internet this set. I don't know the name of it. There is like Kaleido reflection words on here, but it doesn't mean anything. I couldn't find anything with these words. From the look at the back, I discovered that I can't read that. Made in China is kinda a red flag maybe. Potentially, let me say that, it's potentially a red flag, but there's also like websites and everything. So it might be legit, it might be not. So WIP Investments, keep your eyes open because I need you to tell to me in the comment section if this set was legit or I just bought a fake one. At this point, I just don't know if I have the real product or not. And I never opened this product before, so I might not be able to tell the difference. No, this fucking destroyed. My cat looked at me like I'm an idiot, and he's right. I must say I'm not sold on the packaging foil. It looks a lot like some, you know, not official products packaging. There's like this card, which is kind of cool. What do we have? We have a promo card of some sort. Alright, it's shiny. A girl prayed to fulfill her wish. Scattered strange gene. All around the world, fusion into one form. Searching in vain for a fight. Victory will be the only way for her wish to revolutionize. Jesus. Now shall her wish across. Oh, that's how you're supposed to read that probably. Be conquered. Shit man, it looks legit and at the same time doesn't. So let's just move to the cards. The packaging really feels like a goddess story cards, not like some, you know, Pokemon level cards, but maybe it's just how they are. Maybe they are not there yet with their cards. Okay, we have, oh my god, what the fuck, we have a shiny one, just straight. Okay, let me look at that in a second. I want to comment on this, you know. We have a small girl, which is a little bit concerning, not gonna lie. So the back is always like this, no? Do they always have that? I don't know, man. Okay, another small girl with a lot of meat. That's kind of cool. Finally, some more grown-up girls. I don't know, man. I'm really concerned about this quality. And we have some special, which is shiny. You can play this, right? And I don't think that a playing card game would do different backsides for like more special cards. The shine is kind of cool, also not at the same time. I don't know how to say it to you. This video is just me promoting WIP Investments. I'm gonna go to your channel, man. I'm right there right now. I just opened a random WIXOSS video, but I'm skipping the ad, man. Sorry, I'm skipping the ad. Alright, I need to see something to determine if I have a fake or not. Here we go. There are white backs. Wait. I didn't see the text, man. I didn't see that text. I don't know if that's... Maybe there's something they got rid of. Maybe it's just something like promotional box. I don't know. And that's the reason why I couldn't find it. It might be. I can't say shit at this moment if it's real or not. So let's pretend it is. And let's continue. Alright. I'm gonna open them like this. Like, ooh. Not oh, that's a small ghost. I don't know. I don't know why I said that. I said ooh to math. I like math. Let's see what we have here. There were so many boxes, and I chose the one with the most like lowly characters. I don't like that. If that's even, is this also? What the fuck? That's not a lot. First of all, second of all, shine, and third of all, boobas. Like everything came together. And after that I came. I have strong feeling I don't open. I'm not opening. She's cute. The legit WIXOSS box. Shit. I really need your help, guys, to determine if that's the case. Wait, if I do it like this, aha! Hey, that's really a meth box. All right, cool. Again, a lot of meth going there. She's just blasting the shit out of her ass, man. Holy moly. Okay. That's cute. And another shiny hit. That's a very interesting design on her boobs. Okay, first double. Don't mind being that a regular card. Okay, okay. And then we have, again, some other hit, which at my mathematical calculations isn't printed right. I have a feeling that it goes like a little bit down, a little bit to the angle, like so. Suspicious. I'm so looking at like red flags that I have even commented on her boobas. But now I just did. Holy. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cute. Interesting. The fuck? What are those scars, man? It's just a thing against the mosquitoes, but that's the vibe out of it. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Why is this one not shiny? I think it would work great. And then we have a shiny Lottie. Her legs are weird. Those legs are nice. I love that. Ooh, that's something special. It even feels like it. Also, the centering of this card is also way off. Man, I don't know what I'm holding in my hands. I'm gonna sleeve it just in case. Not gonna lie, that's not how I imagined this opening to go. By me just thinking only about boobas, as you can see, and if it's real or not. I'm convinced that this one isn't real. After looking at this card, there's so much like quality issues that I don't think that this would be the real one. It's not bad, right? It's not like straight from the moment I open, it doesn't look good. Like those cards are fine. There's nothing special for my taste and also nothing bad. The text at the back is kind of weird. But maybe it's just how they started, right? Because I saw... Okay, all right. Because I saw 2014 at the back of this box. Back, there you go. The hell? Is this a castle? Is this a waifu as a castle? I mean, castle as a waifu? That's... man, the ideas is just impressive. Holy shit, what the fuck? What am I looking at? And we have the last pack. I believe we had our big hit, so there will be nothing of high importance except for boobs. So yeah, okay. Not a lot of doubles, I must say, which is a nice thing. And I have one special version and one normal version. And sometimes official TCGs do that, but I don't know if this one does it. I'm still not sold on the quality of this, man. I don't know, please, web traveler, let me know in the comments if you understand something about WIXOSS, if I got bamboozled or not. Because if I did, I'm gonna buy it again from Aliexpress to find the real one and not this, you know, supposedly crappy version. And if this is a real one, then I'm sorry for crapping on it, but it kind of deserved it. So yeah, thank you for watching and we'll see you in another one, web travelers.